In this video, I want to show you how to connect your Brother label printer. This is the QL-820NWB to your Wi-Fi network. This way you can print using your computer or smartphone using Wi-Fi. So let's get started. From the main menu of the printer, you're going to press menu, press the down arrow a few times until you get to WLAN. Press OK. Now we need to activate the Wi-Fi of the machine. So press OK and turn it on by pressing the up arrow to select on and then OK to confirm. Great. Now the Wi-Fi is turned on. Press OK. You're going to go down a few steps down until you get to infra manual setting. Press OK. And the printer will start searching for all the Wi-Fi networks that are around it. Give it a few seconds. It has found a few networks. You can browse them using the up and down arrow. Once you have found yours, highlight it and press OK. It's time to type the password. Now there's no keyboard, so you'll have to use the arrows up and down, and every time you select a character, a letter, a number that you wish, press OK. So I'll go ahead and type my password. Now it's important to notice that on the top, capital letters is selected. If you want to type a letter that is lowercase, a number, you'll need to press the menu button and you'll switch between lowercase, numbers, symbols, and capital letters. So it's easier this way. At the end, you simply have to press OK again. OK after confirming that this is the password you want to enter, and it will connect. Here we go. I got the message connected. At this point, press OK. And we can go back on the main menu by going on the back button over there. Now you're ready to connect a computer or a smartphone to this printer and start printing right away. I'll make a separate video if you want to learn how this is done. So check out my other videos, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.